Children, it is a part of a light chapter of class 10. Now let us discuss about the ray diagram to show the formation of image through the convex lens when the object is at infinity. Now let us observe the ray diagram drawn by a student to show the formation of image through the convex lens when the object is at infinity. Children, in the first step, you draw a line of convenient length. Draw a line of convenient length and you mark a point on this line, and if you consider it is a line of principal axis. So mark a point, convenient point you mark here. So mention it as O. That is the optic center of the lens. That is the optic center of the lens. And on both the side of this point we have to mark two points. Count here. This is 1, 2, 3. You take 3, or also you can take 4. So this is the first point. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeter. Again you find the distance of 4 centimeter. 2, 3, 4. You got 2 points on this side. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark 1 point here. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So you got the 4 points, that is 2 points on both the side of the optic center. This is the principal focus. You denote it is f1. This is 2f1, twice of the principal focal length, twice of the focal length, that is the center of the curvature. And you know that again it is f2 and it is 2f2. Lens is having 2 principal focus, 2 center of curvatures. So you got f1, f2, 2f1, 2f2. Now we have to draw the lens with the optic center O. So here you got a point O, that is for the optic center. Now let us draw the lens here. So this is the lens. So you draw the lens with convenient radius of curvature. So you will get the 2 marks question to draw the ray diagram. So you draw it neatly. You can do it fast. Draw a line parallel to principal axis. You know that when the object is at infinity, the parallel rays from the object falls on the lens and refracts. After refraction, these ray passes through the principal focus on the other side. So this is a refracted ray which passes through the principal focus. Again you draw one more ray that is also parallel to the principal axis. This is a ray, one more ray which is parallel to principal axis. This ray also refracts and passes through the principal axis, passes through the same point f2. This is the refracted ray which passes through the f2. Again you can have some more ray. So the ray which is coinciding the principal axis, that also passes through the optic center without bending. You know that ray also meet at a point f2. So if you take that ray, that also passes through the f2, passes through the principal focus. Again you take some more rays which are parallel to the principal axis. All these rays refracts and after the refraction the rays passes through F2, passes through principal focus on the other side. Here we have taken 1, 2, 3, 4 rays. Now if you want, you can take one more ray also. So this is the refractory ray. Again you take one more ray that is also parallel to the principal axis. That ray also refracts and passes through F2, that is through the principal focus. As all these refracted rays passes through F2, you will get the highly diminished image at the principal focus of the convex lens. So F2 is the place of the image formation. So you write that position of the image, position of the image position of the image is at F2. F2 means that is at the principal focus. You know that lens is having two principal focus, so you will get the image at the principal focus, that is at F2. Next also you write size of the image. You know that it is a diminished, highly diminished image. Size of the image, size of the image, you write that is highly diminished, highly diminished image. You will get the image at principal focus, that is at F2. And what is the size of the image? The size of the image is highly diminished. So when the object is at infinity, you will get the image at F2, that is at the principal focus. And what is the size of the image? That is point sized image. Highly diminished means that is point sized image. Then you know that. So then you write what is the nature of the image. It is a image which forms on the other side of the lens. You can catch this image on the screen. So it is a real image, and it is, take here, it is a real image. It is a real, and also you write it is inverted image, real and inverted image. That is the position, size and nature of the image. Position is at F2, size is highly diminished, point size, nature is real and inverted.